In 60 seconds, I'll show how to cancel an Amazon Subscribe and Save subscription on desktop. First, sign in and click the account menu in the top right of the page. From Account, select Subscribe and Save or your subscribe and save items in the list. Find the subscription you want, then click Manage Subscription next to the item. Choose Cancel Subscription, follow any prompts, and confirm when asked to complete cancellation. You'll see a cancellation confirmation on screen and receive an email with details. Now the mobile app version, open the Amazon app and tap the menu icon. Tap Account, then select your subscribe and save items to view active subscriptions. Select the item, open Manage Subscription, then tap Cancel Subscription to stop future deliveries. If you prefer, choose Skip Delivery or Pause Deliveries or Update Payment instead of canceling. If something goes wrong, use Contact Us or live chat and help to get support quickly. Always check your confirmation email and verify the next delivery date. That's it, you're done.